And now it's time to have a look at our first grammar unit. Grammar, in its widest sense, is the structure of a language. We, as speakers of the language, can structure our language without a problem. However, as teachers of the language, we need to be able to better analyze the grammar and the grammar that exists within statements that we make. These basic parts of grammar are called parts of speech. Each part of speech has a certain function within a sentence. Our example sentence here is, "My older brother lives in Tokyo." Each one of these words is a certain part of speech, which we'll have a look at in just a minute. But let's just think about the words within this particular sentence. We have my, indicating whose brother it is. We have older, indicating which brother it is. The word brother indicates the person in the sentence that is doing the action. Lives is the action within the sentence. In introduces the place of the action, and Tokyo indicates the actual place of the action. Listed here are some of the more important parts of speech. Many of these categories have subcategories that we'll get into in a moment. But for now, what we'd like for you to do is at the end of this segment, pause your DVD